And tonight we begin with a grim update from Public Health. We learned today another 15 people have died from coronavirus in Kern County, and most of those new deaths were from December. 17's Alex Fisher joins us live now to explain. Alex?
Well, good evening, Tammy. Today's update shows us that we are in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic and its deadliest days. And most likely the death toll is going to continue to spike in the coming days and weeks ahead. So let's take a look at the numbers. And while we take a look at this data, just keep in mind that there is a significant delay in deaths reported to our public health department. As of now, we know we've lost 641 lives since the beginning of this pandemic. Today's update of 15 new deaths makes December the deadliest month of this pandemic. So far, we know of 154 people who died from coronavirus just in December, and that number will most likely increase as health officials continue to count the bodies. We also learned today the week before Christmas was the deadliest week of this pandemic. We lost 56 people that week between December 18th and December 24th. Meantime, there is encouraging news as coronavirus cases continue to decline. About 535 people are testing positive every day. That's about half of where we were during our peak about 3 weeks ago. However, this does not mean cases are low. Our numbers are only slightly down from our peak during the first surge in July. The other good news tonight, hospitalizations are also on the decline. There are 281 people in the hospital and 67 in the ICU, according to state data. We haven't been that low in nearly 8 weeks. Now, of course, all of this comes ahead of Super Bowl Sunday, and our health officials locally and across the nation have big concerns that they do not want the Super Bowl to become a Super Bowl super spreader. And although our numbers are declining, which is the good news, the concern is that they could go back up if more people are gathering, which would then make the virus spread more, which of course is what we do not want. And that could lead to more restrictions placed on restaurants, businesses, and keep our schools closed even longer. So that is why our health officials are saying to stay home this Super Bowl Sunday, and it will take about 2 to 3 weeks for us to see the results of the Super Bowl Sunday. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. I'm Alex Fisher for 17 News. Back to you.